My wonderful people, I'm back again with new job updates for you guys. So I'm going to go right into it, and as you can see from my screen, the first job I have for you guys is an international recruitment pastoral support, and you're searching for adult nurses. So basically the main area for this is mental health, and this is a band 8 position, and it's a contract job for 12 months, and it's a 37.5 hours per week job, as you can see. And you can also see what the salary range is. This is a big man's job, guys. This job opportunity is ending on the 17th of September. So this work opportunity is ending in about 7 days or 6 to 7 days time. So don't wait for the last minute before you apply. If this job applies to you, read through. You have to have all the criteria, and this would require you to have UK registration. So these job opportunities I'm going to be talking about here are basically for international nurses, and there are also some for UK nurses as well. So go ahead and go through the jobs I'm going to be talking about. Stay to the end and watch to the end so you would get all the important informations. Don't just be in a haste to jump out, guys. So go through this. This is a very wonderful opportunity. As you can see here, you must have appropriate UK professional registration for this job, because what they're looking for is someone that can help them during their international recruitment for nurses. So what it tells you is that these people actually are recruiting internationally for nurses, but what they're looking for at the moment is just someone that can be part of their international recruitment team. So don't get it twisted, okay? So you can look for them and actually ask them if they are currently recruiting and apply if they are. This is East London NHS Foundation Trust. So it tells you that they recruit international nurses, but you can actually send their direct recruiter an email asking if they are currently recruiting for international nurses. That's how we do this job update thing sometimes. So let's quickly go over to the next job opportunity. So this one is overseas senior care assistant, and all you have to do is just click on apply on Care UK and go ahead and apply for this job. The next one that we're going to be looking at is a care assistant, and these ones are looking for a female applicant, and this is tier 2 sponsorship. But this sponsorship, guys, is for people in the United Kingdom as well, and you need a full UK driving license. You have to have 1 year experience as a care assistant, and you must be living in the United Kingdom. As you can see, please note you must already be living in the UK and have a full UK driving license to apply for this role. If this applies to you, go ahead and apply. I know people have been asking me recently that they want to switch their visas, so they're looking for an employer that can sponsor, because it's not all employers that sponsor you, even if you're in the UK. So this one applies to you if you're looking for sponsorship and to switch your visa. You see, due to the nature of the role, you will need a full UK driving license, and access to a car will be an advantage. So you see, what it means is that if you're in the UK and you've got a full driving license and you've also got access to a car, you'll be given high preference for this job as far as this job is concerned. For some people that will spot out £21,000 a month, just know that it's human beings that type these things, and most times they also make mistakes. That's not what you should be looking at. The important thing you should be looking at is the work itself. And if peradventure you are asked, I always say it, if in any application you are asked to pay any amount of money, I would ask that you refrain from such action, because most of these employers will not ask you to pay any money throughout your relocation process. Okay, the next is living care assistant. If you go through, you see what the salary range is, and you know what they're asking for you from this job. Now if we scroll through what they're looking for from you, you have to have the right to work in the UK. So yes, this job is for people that are in the UK as well. Well, honestly, most times I say, what are you really doing with your time? If you've got the spare time, you can apply for this job, because there are some of them that don't specifically tell you you must be in the UK. So for those ones that are not really specific on you must be in the UK, I would suggest you still apply for them, because you might actually get lucky. And let's look at the next one. So this one is by Soonest Healthcare, and they're looking for registered mental health nurses or learning disability nurses, and as you can see, international. So they're looking for international nurses. So please go down, read through. I don't want this video to be too long. So you see here, it says we are looking for international mental health nurses or learning disability nurses with a passion for delivering outstanding care. You'll be working 38.5 hours a week at Soonest Healthcare. So please read through everything that they require from you, and feel like this job suits you, then please go ahead and click on apply now. Okay, so if you care about making a difference, we want to talk to you, so go ahead and apply. The next one that I'm going to be showing you guys is support worker supported living tier 2 sponsorship. So this one requires you to have a driving license, but it's preferred. You need to have 1 year experience working as a support worker. This requires you as well to be in the UK, but they want you to be able to commute or relocate before you start the work. That's if you're staying in the southern part of the UK, you should be happy to relocate to the northern part. Just an example, for instance. Okay, so that's just a read through. If it applies to you, please go ahead and apply for the job. Just one more thing I want to say, guys. So as you can see, always look at the people that are responsible for this recruitment. So you see, this is RM recruitment. You can always go through these people's website and leave them a message and ask them if they are recruiting. Okay, you just need to make extra effort most times. Ask them if they are recruiting internationally as well. You never can just tell. Okay, so the next one we're going to be looking at UK residents only, female support workers tier 2 sponsorship, and you must drive. So everything is in caps lock. Read through. If this applies to you, go ahead and apply. And see what they said here. If you do not have a valid full driving license, then your application will not be progressed. So this one wants you to have a driving license. This is Daytime Healthcare, and they are working alongside a national domiciliary care provider who are currently looking for female care assistants to join their service. Head read through. If this applies to you, go ahead and apply. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting updates. And until my next video guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.